the outside, fragile within. Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something deeply personal. Something I believe many of you might relate to in your own way. I call it being resilient on the outside, fragile within. From the outside, I've always been seen as someone who is strong, capable, and determined. People see me smiles and efforts, and also my accomplishments. They think I have it all figured out. But what they don't see is the silent battle happening within the doubts, the fears, and the times I've questioned whether I'm good enough. Let me take you back to one of the most challenging periods in my life. I was juggling multiple responsibilities, preparing lesson plans, managing students, and striving to live up to the expectations of being a future teacher. So everyone around me said, "You're doing so well," but inside, I felt like I was barely holding on. There were nights I'd cry. I'd cry always myself to sleep, overwhelmed by the weight of it all. The pressure to appear strong, to maintain that image of resilience was very, very exhausting. I wanted so badly to be perfect, not for myself, but for those who believed in me. I didn't want to let anyone down, especially not my family, not my mentors, or my future students. But here's the thing, pretending to be unbreakable doesn't make you stronger. It really isolates you. It makes you feel like you're carrying the world alone because admitting vulnerability seems like a weakness. So one day, I reached a breaking point. I was preparing for a classroom activity and everything felt like it was crumbling. So, the simplest task felt impossible. That's when I realized something I needed to change. So I started small. I allowed myself to acknowledge how I truly felt. I told myself it was not okay to have all the answers, to make mistakes, and to ask for help. I shared my struggles with a trusted friend. And the response was nothing like I feared. I was happy to hear her response to my rants to her. It was compassionate and supportive. That's why I felt like I am very blessed having that kind of friend. So this journey taught me a valuable lesson. Strength isn't about hiding your fragility. It's about embracing it. So resilience isn't about being invulnerable. It's about bouncing back despite the cracks. And those cracks, they don't diminish us. Then they make us humans, right? So now, as I stand here sharing my story, I want you to know it's okay to feel fragile sometimes. It's okay to be weak. It's okay to let your guard down. To admit when you're struggling. It's not a problem at all. So true strength comes from recognizing that vulnerability and resilience can coexist. So, to everyone here who might feel like they're resilient on the outside, fragile within, remember, always remember this. You don't have to carry it all alone. Your struggles don't define you. We all know that. But your determination to rise above them does. So thank you very much. This is Jemery and Q Macahelos.